Initially, I think when the pandemic uh, surprised all of us, I think the first reaction was shock. I remember having conversations, the leadership here having conversations. So the first and the foremost, I think, priority was the safety of the students, very clearly. The first challenge that stared right in front of our eyes was how do we go about teaching? And then finally, we decided to be with Microsoft Teams. We didn't realize that we would need an audio enhancement uh, till the beginning of this semester because we had a completely different set of problems.
I think one of the biggest challenge for us was addressing students who are on campus and students who are online. Before the installation of the mics, I actually had to speak a lot louder because I was wearing a mask and there was a 2-meter physical distancing between me and the students. So by the time I reached the last person, I had to really pretty much scream, probably, I would say. I was also probably physically locked to one place because I'm speaking in front of a laptop. So I did not have the freedom to move around at all. I just had to sit down and teach, which for me was kind of difficult because I'm used to walking around a little bit and and using my body while I teach.
We started working with Manipal a few years ago, and we had different occasions to collaborate with them. Recently, with this situation, they got in touch asking for some suggestions for their studio for broadcast, for teaching broadcast students. But then it turned out that they also had a problem during regular lessons for the classrooms.
If somebody in the class asked a question, I had to repeat that question again so that the students at home could hear it because the laptop's mic was not picking it up from a distance. And if somebody from home asks a question, again, I'll have to repeat it in class so the rest of the class could hear it.
We started thinking about the potential of our MXA solution that now offers more than it was offering 1 or 2 years ago. We installed 2 MXA 910, one P300 DSP processor, and our 7 speakers. In this room, we have a two-way communication for VoiceLift and for remote learning.
With the VoiceLift and the microphone installed in class, it was actually much easier. The one thing was the voice was reaching everybody, even towards the back of the class. And I actually had the freedom to move around from, just around my table only, but I just didn't have to sit right in front of the system, but I could actually move around a bit. In fact, the first class, what happened was a student was sitting right at the back and asked a question, and suddenly somebody from one of the online students suddenly just jumped and asked, wait, he's sitting so far, but how can I hear him like so close? At which point then I ended up actually explaining to them what we had done in the classroom in terms of the entire installation.
So we have 2 microphones that are both used for VoiceLift. So not only the students can learn better the teacher, but also vice versa. And the same thing applies to VC. So both microphones are going into the codec, and then the voice of students from home are going towards the speaker, so everybody can listen to them. In this specific scenario, we needed to make a system extremely flexible because every teacher was bringing in their own device, their own laptop, and we had the P300 that was working as a connection bridge between the system and the codec software that is Microsoft Teams in this case, one of the different codecs we have certification for.
So there was definitely a big difference for online students as well as students in class actually. Even for them, they could hear much clearer.